What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed those few clips. Those were just taken from my last weekend at Fort Stewart. So that was a lot of fun. We got to fake fight people, I guess you could say. There were some people there that were not getting paid, actually. They were just normal civilians. They got to play our bad guys for us. They got to ambush us a few times. And I don't know. It was a good old time. Not really. I don't know. Kind of bored a lot. But yeah, I mean, I did have some fun. At one point, we actually drove past one of the other Humvees. And I mean, we were facing front, you know, not really thinking too much of the Humvee we just passed. And we ran like right into an ambush. So all these guys started popping out and they were shooting at us. So I mean, like, you know, we can't really run them over. So we threw it in reverse. Yeah, I bet you can guess how that ended. Yeah, so we hit the gas, started moving backwards, and like, I was thinking about it. I was in the back of the Humvee at this time. I was like, wait a second. Did we just pass a Humvee right there? Sure enough, like right as I finished my thought, oop, right into the back of the other Humvee. Nobody got hurt or anything, so that was good. It was just a little fun accident, I guess. I know actually at one point we were in the Humvee and we uprooted a tree. It wasn't like huge, but I mean, still, we pulled a tree up out of the ground on accident, like just trying to leave. I guess there was a lot of things like that were fun per se. I mean, I'd still like not really want to be out in the woods that entire time just for those few fun things. But I mean, it was valuable training. But there was a lot of, I guess, bad communication, miscommunication. Like one time, I had to get out of the Humvee and like walk through the woods, and I was carrying my rifle and a device. I'm not really gonna name what it is, because most of you wouldn't know anyway. But I was carrying that for like a good while through the woods. Like we were just going and going, and like as soon as we get there and sit down, the guy I'm with gets a phone call, and they're like, oh, actually, never mind, we're gonna need you to come back. And he's like, well, that was a fun walk, let's head back. So I mean, I then carried all my stuff right back. It just, I don't know, it's kind of pointless. And I know, like, on the way down there, we were a little late because a semi-truck apparently caught on fire on I-75. I saw the burnt remains. Like, literally, it was just a frame. Everything was burnt to crisp. You could see straight through it. But we were in traffic, I mean, forever. Like, forever and a half. We were just sitting there in all of our Humvees burning diesel, like, whatever. Forget the environment, man. I mean, that, like, I know Atlanta has some bad traffic, but that was some bad traffic. And I mean, I don't know, it's kind of weird though. I will say, like, when we got up to the fire, like, it was all the way off to the side. Like, there were signs that we had passed like an hour or so before that was like, just cleared fire, you know? But I mean, as soon as we got up there, it was off to the side, and like the second we passed it, traffic was just cleared. So like everyone's just bottlenecking there to look at the trailer, I guess. I hate it though. I mean, you know how much time you've killed for people just so you can get a good 2 seconds to look at this burnt vehicle. Like, really? But whatever. I'm back now. And by the way, I will say, like, the weather there, I mean, I say there, like, the weather here too was actually pretty warm. I mean, it got up pretty high. And of course, I'm there, so you know, I can't be riding my bike. And then like as soon as I get back, it's like, oh, 35 degrees. I'm like, oh man, this is as hot right now as it's gonna get all weekend, and it's only like 50. Well, anyway, yeah, that's my little update video, my little moto vlog, my little video that I'm putting out for you. Yeah, you like that video? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, boy. For real though, I mean, I get that. Like, I don't really want to tell people to subscribe. Like, you're gonna do what you're gonna do, right? If you like my stuff, you'll subscribe and watch my stuff. If you don't like my stuff, me telling you to subscribe isn't gonna be like, yeah, you know what? I like him now. He's got good. He's telling strangers on the internet what to do. Like, no, sorry. But I mean, I do appreciate it though. Like, I do like getting more subscribers because I mean, maybe when I hit 1,000, like 16 years from now, I'll be able to monetize and like make a few dollars. You know, that'd be cool. After I dump like 10 mil into the account and get back like $12.43. You know, but whatever. Well, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. So, thanks for checking out the moto vlog, guys. And actually, I have some news on the that Icon Moto Vlogger Challenge that they did a while back, but I'll save that for another video. So until next time, guys, catch you later.
There you go.